Thank you for subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated. For those who haven't subscribed, it would be much appreciated. Thank you. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is I'm looking for an illustrator for a children's book. I want to create a children's book, and I want somebody to volunteer their services, a kind of a symbiotic relationship going on here. You help me, I help you type of thing. And just because this channel's only been going since January, it doesn't mean it's not going to go a lot further. We're at 749 subscribers, which is fantastic. And it's a fully verified channel with an official check mark. So yeah, it may seem a little cheeky for me to ask for somebody to produce images for a children's book. And what I'm looking at is something like this, where I have white space for doing the words. The images will be double page spreads like this. Obviously it's not going to be this this illustration from one of my children's books. It's actually going to be this. Well, this type of thing. It can be in watercolours, or that style of illustration. It can be in cartoony kind of pencil drawings, pen drawings, or any kind of illustrations at all. That's going to be okay for a children's book. If anything but black and white, if you know what I mean. So yeah, like I say, it may seem cheeky of me to ask for an illustrator to come up with 16 double-page images for my book. But at the same time, what I want to be doing is I want to be showing all of our subscribers how we work with an illustrator. Now, I haven't actually worked alongside an illustrator, actually had input from one, or given my designs to an illustrator. So that'll be interesting. That'll be an interesting one for our subscribers. And, you know, if they're looking at doing something like that too, or if you're looking at doing something like that too, then yeah, it would be a great help. But what do you get out of it as an illustrator? What does the illustrator get out of it? Well, I'll advertise on the channel. There's no money changing hands or anything like that. Just a service, just working together. And all of you subscribers will get to see how things are done, might like the illustrator, and may want some work done by the illustrator, if we can work out what things would cost, for instance, under normal circumstances. And plus I'll keep links within the descriptions. Yeah, so if any of our subscribers know anybody that might be interested in doing something like that, just to help them advertise a little bit, and have a bit of practice, and yeah, it would be extremely helpful. Have a think about it, and get back to us in the comments or in the email in the About page. So, thank you very much. Let's see what happens, eh?